different. Take profit 10 pips or reversal signal. Those will be, this is like the take profit rule. So you need take profit stop loss. You basically take from signal to signal, and just give 10 pip take profit, 10 pip stop loss. Hey.
Hello.
I just explained the rules here.
The video.
Yeah. But yeah, basically it's just stop loss, take profit, 10 pips, close with reversal signal if it's before 10 pips, and OB tap. So nothing more here. And I'm already in this first trade here.
Nice.
So let's see. But yeah, the day looks more like more calmer, let's say. So it may be even better with 5 pips, but yeah, let's see. And also let me put this in also like in the rules, at least like my goal of the day is max for losses. So if I don't know, if you try to do or trade the same way, so my maximum is 4 losses. If you are willing to lose like 2% today, so you should use 0.5% risk per trade. And I expect actually like 5 wins, I would say. So I will use full risk with my own account. So even if I lose 4 times 2%, I'm actually up 16% this week. So I'm still up like 8%. But yeah, let's see.
What would you recommend championship fund?
Mhm.
How much risk would you take? 1%? Like
Yeah,
it's
one,
100K.
one or even maybe 0.5, because and it's also it depends what's your goal, because like I know that like next will be my nephew will do the challenge, and he doesn't need like a big salary or something. So with him we have goal just to make like few $100 per day basically. So I would say the easiest thing is just to do like 1 or 2% per payout. So in every 2 weeks, in a simple way, and yeah, that's it for the first account at least. Also, with your first payout, be really careful, because I just messed my first payout totally here, because I tried to get like a lot, and I ended up in a slight like loss, and yeah, like if you get first payout, you will get your like next account as well, or money back.
So this is only your money back you only get with your first payout, right?
Yes. So I would just do like 1% in profit, and yeah, basically that's it. Because actually I was like 1% in profit with my account, and I thought, okay, it would be nice to make it like 5% in profit. And then Trump came into the office, and now I'm like minus 7%. Yeah, no, I mean, even a 4 is okay. But yeah, if you aim for like 4% per month, it's still like 2% in every 2 weeks.
Yeah. And would you say regarding the lots that the risk on a challenge account would be different for you?
Um, yes, it depends on challenge. So, like in ideal world, you would trade exactly the same way with your live account, challenge account, and so on. But realistically, I would say that when you try to pass your challenge, you can risk more. And if you have passed, at least what I feel is that you should have a goal to keep this account. Like even if you, let's say you want to make like 10K per month, I would say be happy with 2K per month because you have the chance to make it next month as well and next 2 weeks and so on. And you can always get new accounts, you know. So basically, with your like this one like payout or like you have a 100K account.
Yeah, yes, I have
Yes.
1K account. I for example now passed
Mhm.
just got myself a new one already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, you basically you bought new one, but you can get like a withdrawal of that challenge money or just new challenge, and basically you can scale up to I don't know 2 millions. I think was there even.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
yeah, basically just if you keep those accounts alive, and I know that Jordan is doing this right now. Like on Monday, he will trade with one account, let's say, make 4%, close that, or even 2%, and that account is like in the bookshelf, just waiting for that payout. Maybe next day take 6% and done with the account. And yeah, like overall, I would say just keep like stacking up those accounts, not trying to get everything out of this one account.
Yeah, that's what I because there's a program, this program where you only get through if you have like consistently 4% net payout. Is this per month or per every 2 weeks? Do you know that by any chance?
I don't know that because I joined like earlier, so I don't qualify in those programs. But also like I have different rules and stuff in there as well. So now I have like new challenges passed as well. But yeah, with this rule, I don't know. And also, by the way, if this close as like this, I will right now close it.
Because another signal came.
Yes, exactly. And I will go in here as well if this closes. So I will let's make it like RR wise. So I risk 2%, but yeah, this was like 0.6 R. So I will keep count as well and I will record. So let's see what's going to happen. Where again? So that was plus 0.6 R. So let's see if I am. And I'm in. Let's make it bigger. Oh, nice, nice reaction.
Are you there as well?
Yeah, just went in. And yeah, I basically take like every trade where is like something on the left, let's say, like right here. Here was OB, here is kind of OB as well, and even 10 bips even cover those highs as well. So it's nice. And and yeah, but yeah, let's see. We actually got to this order block, not exactly. So yeah, but yeah, I don't look at the big picture as of right now because in last 2 weeks it doesn't just matter. Like if you trade with logic, what has worked before is not working right now. Right now it's just signal, order block, and yeah. and here I don't re-enter. Maybe like if I get signal here, I will enter again. By the way, do you have like PC signals or phone signals?
You mean,
Like right in, yeah.
I have both actually.
Mm-hmm. Okay. For some reason, those like PC signals sometimes just doesn't work, and I've gone through everything. I don't know why. They just like everything is okay in there. Everything should work. But yeah. But with phone, I will use like phone signals instead, and they will work really, really fine.
I have
Yeah, yeah,
always trading.
yeah. With this, okay, not anymore. But if we have like now basically signal in here as well, so I don't know what happened now, but in here I would enter again. Something is wrong with my PC. I don't know, it should be really nice PC, but I think editing or something will ruin it a lot. We have
You mean because the signals are not working?
yeah, signals, and even overall like this whole trading view doesn't work as good as it should work. So I went in here as well, second position. Let's see. I'm just like today I'm willing to lose 4 hours. That's my like maximum, and I will scalp as much as I can. Just because this trade makes a lot of sense here. Here this trade made sense as well, and then we will cover this here again. So let's see.
I would love to see that this trade is actually going to TP and then down on the OP you get a signal. That would be
Yeah,
great.
that would be like the perfect scenario. But yeah, like also
Oh,
that could be it as well. So yeah, let's see. Like
over us there's a nice OP as well from what is it 735 to 758. Would also be
this one,
great.
yeah, yeah. But today market looks really normal because we get this high of the day around same area what we always get. Uh, that was, I don't know, poor market structure shift, but I would say was here signal. So yeah, if here was signal, that was nice reversal setup actually by the rules. So let's see if 5 pip will cover that. Not quite, but still it looks like more promising. But yeah, I think that next week we'll have a normal, everything normal again, because I don't think this volume will keep that high forever.
Especially today is I think first holiday in many countries
Yeah, yeah,
because of Easter.
yeah.
Let's see. Can you guys hear me now? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, I just had to find myself an isolated room. And there you just follow.
Yeah, nice. Nice. Let's see. Yeah, my goal is to make 5 hours, but yeah, never know. And I'm willing to lose 4 hours. So I put down some rules in here as well. So only 10 big take profit stop loss. Next reversal signal will be close. OB tap and 4 max losses. So let's see. Just really simple way, because yeah, yesterday there was, I closed trading, like I think I got like with hour and half I got 10%. So I closed then, but I look at the charts, actually there was like 16% to be made.
You could have taken.
Yeah, but just like for me 10% was already the best day I have had. Like money wise, I have had 10% days as well, but with this account size, it was first time. So I just closed everything and I was really happy. And
Yeah, I
yeah,
think that's something to celebrate.
yeah, and actually yeah, up like 16% right now this week with 2 days. So yeah, if I get 10 more, that will be crazy. Like 26% week would
Yeah.
be really nice. And also, I don't think that we have those conditions much longer. Maybe next week, but I think next week everything will normalize as well. Because yeah, today was first day where this movement made sense. Like always, like London picked some direction. Around midday, we had high. We had kind of market structure shift, pullback, signal. So our reversal basically here, and yeah, it looks normal. It looks like it should be. So yeah, I expect that the next week we will have normal conditions as well. Unfortunately,
Yes, that's what it
because
looks.
because this actually I really like those conditions right now. Just like
Yeah,
everything.
actually, yeah, I would say that these conditions the last couple of weeks were actually, for those who were able to take profits off the table, I think it was really nice. The volume was sort of like really great to just profit on the movement, the fast movement.
Yeah,
But sometimes when you have to combine it with work, you really miss out on a lot, and it's annoying.
yeah. Yeah, and also like with these conditions, it's actually now third week with these conditions. So first week I messed up, second week I tested a lot, and now third week I'm ready. So I'm actually kinda also missed first 2 weeks. But yeah, that's why I want to take every chance today or like whole this week. What I get.
Nice.
Yeah,
I think I also want to also just on the move a lot. The last weekends that I wasn't able to really set. Like I
yeah,
wanted also too much work. I had to finish before this, and yeah, I was seeing,
yeah.
but the market is still moving.
Yeah, I will just look through potentially what happened in the new London session. So last 2 days, London session has been really bad. So yesterday I only took like 0.25% because yeah, London session hasn't treated me well. But here looks like today was actually a nice London session. So let's see what potentially we could have. So signal here, get signal here as well. Where was our take profit? Here. It's quite big candle. So here was take profit. This one hits. This one not. And no, actually looks like London wasn't that good. But let's see if it was even profitable. Here, and this one as well. Let's on here. Jonathan, you already get your live account?
So waiting for it. I'm gonna check for a second.
Okay.
I paid for it 25 minutes ago.
Okay.
I don't know why, but sometimes it's really slow.
Yeah. Like actually right now it's quite fast because when I started with those prop firms, like I guess like 4 years ago, uh, it took like 5 days to get your account. So right now it's same day or next day. Okay, so yeah, let's see. We have, so let's say 9, 10, 7, so 26 minus 2 losses here, 6, and win here plus 6, 12. Um, let's say this is 4, like 18 minus 10, 8, and here around 10 as well, so 18. 18, that would be with full risk a bit less than 4%. So it was actually quite good London session.
Full risk is for you 150.
2%. It's yeah, but yeah, it's like a live account as well, so I don't have any rules in there.
But do you take then like every signal?
Yeah. Right now, if there is OB and signal, I will go in. And
but also in other conditions, do you just like take signal only without even OB?
And no, OB is still needed. But yeah, it looks like it will normalize next week. So it's like last day of doing this. That's why I thought maybe it's nice to record it and do it live in here to show you how easy it actually is. Because yesterday it was just like I heard the signal. I was on call as well yesterday. So I heard signal, I checked it out, went in, heard signal, check out. Even if I need to close my like last position with reversal signal or get new position, went out or in, and that's it again. So yeah, and just like 10% just like that. So let's see. But if it gets trendy for some reason, let's say we have like big trend somewhere, then I will end this because it works with like range, and right now we kind of have some sort of range. So 10 pip will cover the highs or lows, and yeah. And yeah, also I'm willing to lose like 4 hours or like 8%, then I'm still pretty much up for this week, and yeah. Yeah, yeah, actually this would be nice target area to get new signal as well, buy signal from here. But I guess we get signal before that. But let's see.
I also got my challenge from.
Oh, nice.
So I actually would like to wait for the
Yeah. But yeah, we have
Your opening is 2 p.m. Like,
no actually New York opening is 6 or like 4 p.m. Yeah, in German time. So in
14.
yeah, in my time like 17. But yeah, it's also like sometimes it's like 16:30 for some markets and so on. So yeah, it's New York 10 a.m. It's where like everybody start trading. It's 16 in German time.
It really looks like normal conditions right now, to be honest. This 4.7, like with the last entry,
Yeah,
very close to 5.3, but
yeah.
not really crazy volume.
Let's check if five pips would be stop loss in here. So with scalping, actually, I would say 10 pips makes a lot more sense because it
Just a
will,
longer trade.
yeah, because it covers more like highs and lows, and yeah, basically we're just scalping like from signal to signal. So if you get like buy signal soon, we'll close all the trades. Hopefully by then everything will be in profit. Right now I'm actually at zero, around zero, with two trades. One is slightly up, one is slightly down. But yeah. But yeah, definitely slower conditions today. We have here, oh, we have quite a lot of people in here. So now if we get like one more premium signal, I don't know if I want to take like third time same position.
Would you take it if you wouldn't have a position yet?
Yeah, like two positions I will take, but three now, like too much. Because yeah, like in around like 45 minutes we have first news. But I think like this first news, what we have, some euro news, I don't think they will change the market that much. This one could be.
But you're still waiting for the 1 minute candles to close, right? Or you
Yeah,
already-
yeah, I will still waiting for candle close. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, because maybe lately it's not that necessary, but yeah, like I don't know if we have some. Okay, we have here. It's outside of our session, but let's say here. Okay, we have green candle, but basically like otherwise you would buy all like the way here, and actually we get the first green here, or like I don't know if we have better. Yeah, here as well. So you would buy here, but actually we had more to the downside, and here was better entry after first green. And I guess here is also a nice example. Yeah, here would be entry already, but actually we had here better entry because of first green candle. So yeah, it's sometimes it may be that those Jordan entries will get like better positions and better take profits and so on. But also then you really need to know which order block is the best and which order block will hold and so on. So so yeah, that way it's just like yeah, if we see opposite candle, we know that some movement already started to our direction. Yeah, it even looks to me that we get somewhere around here next signal, and this will be like now upside. But yeah, let's see, maybe we get still more downside.
We have touched this little order block around 641 to 627. We touched it already.
Yeah, I guess this like around this area would be a 5-minute order block. So we have tapped in here as well. Like,
technically it will go through, because right now it doesn't seem like we react breaks from this zone. Technically we should go down to 5-minute order block.
like ideally in normal conditions, I would say that price will get those lows here now around this area. But yeah, let's see what conditions we have today. Because yeah, like at the end of London session we had high, so it means like mid session of New York we should have our daily lows, and then maybe some buy opportunities as well. But it can also sweep those highs first or something. But yeah, I guess that we are heading towards here.
Let's see. No, which use which use you're allowed to track which one.
Yeah, I think there was some. They will send some kind of like newsletter to your email every week, I guess, as well.
Also, when you check like on the side, like for example, if it's already used, then there's just like restricted, and then you can pick those. Otherwise, it's just red.
Like the economic calendar, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. For me, yes, I have only swing accounts, so I don't have to look at those. Only like if I see really big like US news, Euro news, I don't really care because they don't move the market that much. But yeah, USD moves like news can just sweep you out.
Okay, but interesting. The 14, 15, actually a restricted event.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
please don't have to.
Yeah. I try to be out, but if I'm still in, I will still take the trades. Interesting, this market is touching like 4 times this like current high here. Like this, so
the candle has some more volume now.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm still guessing that it will come back here. We get our signal. Like ideally it would be down here, but I guess at least here to get our signal and then maybe move up.
The moment you get a signal
Yes. Then I'm not looking for like entry candle to close it and then enter. Then I will just close it like to the highest point where I get the signal. Yeah, thank you. Yes, I'm in like double positions. And yeah, also who is coming in later, I have only few rules today. So 10 bip stop loss, take profit, or next like opposite signal, I will close that trade like right here. And for me, maximum 4 losses. So I trade with like 2%. I'm willing to lose 8% today. And yeah. Yeah.
It's still generous to give the market more because this is birthday.
Yeah. No, I'm already like even if I lose 4 trades in a row now,
Yeah.
and I will stop that trade, like my week has been pretty nice, I would say. Pretty happy.
How much have you done?
16% with 2 days. Like 10% yesterday and 6% on Tuesday. So I can show you yesterday's trades. I just did the same thing, order block plus signal and nothing else. So yeah, I started before the session. This was just my like some testing thing, but yeah, I started here. So this one was win, 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 and I guess I took here. I think here was signal as well. So I took this one as well and I close it, I think it was here. And then I reached 10%. So it was like, what's that, like 1%, let's say around 1%, 1%. This was full day profit, so 2%. So we have 5 already, 1, okay, altogether 2. Let's say 1 and 1. So yeah, then. But yeah, we'll also get like this signal here that I missed, and we got the signal here. Looks also profitable here. Signal closing here. Here buy signal, and those 2 were losses, I guess. So we had there like 3 wins. And after that, let's see. Here, do we have some order block? Yes, we have. So this one was a win. Here we got buy. I guess this one was a win. And here, yeah. This was actually really nice signal, but yeah, it was already too late for me. But I guess Jonathan took this one.
Yesterday, shortly after 4 p.m.
Yeah, here.
That was the perfect one. I was like, I already put in the chat. I'm done trading because I think I was up 3.7%.
Mhm.
And then I saw the order block that I was waiting the whole day for. Shortly after 16 of them, okay, then it doesn't matter if I can order the stop loss, it's fine. And then I had 15 pips straight. It worked very well.
Yeah, nice.
And then I, basically did my challenge. The second phase in one day.
Yeah, it was nice. It was actually best looking like chart what I have seen.
Yeah.
Like one day, I guess there was like 1% risk only, 1.3 or something, and just like 5% profit. Okay, now it's getting interesting. Do we have signal coming up? I see that price is going down. Not yet. But yeah, price has created some sort of box for some reason here. But yeah, right now it looks like it will break it like to the downside and then will go up. Yeah, let's see.
I would be really happy if we go down to the order block around 589.
Yeah, that would be like
almost
really nice.
almost but I guess you would get a signal before.
Yeah, yeah.
Looks
Yeah, I think we get signal around this area. Let's see if we got it right now, or maybe we can get like one more move. Okay, we got one more move. Yeah, but yeah, next move should get us our signal. Because also like you can take this as like divergent trading if anybody has done this. So if we have here like lower highs as well, like lower highs and lower lows. So like this trend is going down, even though market is like sideways, but this trend is going down. So maybe our indicator is a bit like ahead of time and already know that this thing is going down. So let's see, or maybe not, but yeah. I remember a few years ago I tried out those like the diversion things. Sometimes it worked really well, like exactly things like this. So if here was like higher high and actually there was like the opposite, then this was like really good trade. And I don't know if you have something in here as well. Uh, maybe this one as well. So this one was also nice, like high, lower high, lower high. Here is high, higher high, kinda higher high. So that would be like nice indicator already show that we have like not that strong signals. So it should go down. Yeah, it went down here. But yeah, there is too many things to look out for and so on. So yeah, I would just keep it as simple as possible and just like signal order block entry. That's it. Yeah, market just has stopped moving. Actually, like with yesterday's conditions, this area would be like this. So it would be like take profit, take profit, take profit. But yeah, with this volume, it's just like a bit lower. Yeah. But yeah, I guess now this rundown will have buy signal.
Right, tomorrow actually, or is it closed?
I think you can actually trade, but I'm not trading tomorrow because tomorrow I think there is no volume at all.
Okay.
So I hope with next candle we can get the signal. Also, if it will reach this order block, this will be also really, really nice. Yeah, maybe we get signal even right now. Let's see.
But then you would close, but then we don't have pretty much the order blocks. Get into the buy.
We actually have here order block to buy, but yeah, I will. Did you guys get the signal?
Oh, perfect. And then
I didn't get the signal as well.
So I'm still
I'm also still in.
But now pretty much what we have is also creating order block profiles.
Mm-hmm.
Sell on kind of.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
I will amount this position for 10%.
Okay.
It's for
I will. Yeah, I'm still in, but now it looks we got signal. Or anybody else get signal? It was like really, really close. You got the signal? I didn't got. I didn't get.
because it didn't close it.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, now I am out. So let's see quickly. I would say here is order block. And if we have like now buy candle, of course, this step would be like crazy good. But even if we have like buy signal right here, we would cover this low with 10 pips. So yeah, I don't mind doing that. But let me adjust those things. So exactly here and it exactly here. So let's see. Let's see. I will go in here if this candle is green, and it is green, so I went in. Not the best order block, but as I said, it will cover this order block here, so quite nice. So what we got here? We got 0.3 hours and 0.6 hours. So I don't know. I will put it in here. 0.6 R.
nice.
I actually got 0.5 R, so 0.5%, and then I'm also in the buy.
Yeah, same here.
0.5 you got?
Yeah. So perfect. I waited for the candle to close. Because if it would be sell, then I'll hold it, but yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay, I got, because I had this trade in here as well. So this was like 3 pips and this one was 6 pips. So yeah, plus 0.6 plus 0.3 R. So all together 1.5 Rs, and it'll be 3% for me. And yeah, I hear that someone is typing in chat. I don't look at the chat right now, but yeah, they could join here and trade with me. Also, I will record this, so yeah, you can watch it too after all and see what happened. But yeah, it seems like it's working like magic as well today. So yeah, just I think it's really crucial to see where this thing gets trendy and we don't get this scalping edge anymore. But yeah, today looks like we don't get full DPs that much. Maybe we get few, but yeah, it's not moving that fast.
It comes with news and
Maybe news will change these conditions. But yeah, like unemployment claims was the news. So Euronews, I don't think they will do anything. This press conference, I think it's also like a longer play. It won't happen like only once during this conference. There will be some picks, but yeah, main rate, I don't know. But yeah, unemployment claims, maybe we'll do something. Yeah, actually, what?
on this other block record, we also see some resistance.
Yeah, just wanted to say that one thing what I don't like, because it's like quite nice resistance in here. So, but yeah, I still think it will go through right now. But let's see. Maybe just we get like a sell signal up there and we can change the position again. And also really possible that we'll move to this order block right now and then we'll push up. But yeah, guys, look. Yeah.
We have to pause 2 minutes before and after news, right?
Yes, exactly. I would say even 3, just in case.
Yeah, but it's only you can hold through news.
Yeah, but you cannot get take profit or stop loss during the news. That's not making sense. But yeah, it's like if you get take profit during the news, yeah, you exceeded those rules. Yeah.
Are you for sure? Because there's 2 different accounts, right? There's standard and swing. And swing you can't.
If you're on the standard and you go through just like the test phase, like phase 1 or phase 2, you can still trade the news. As soon as you have fast standard, you cannot do the standard. With swing, you can anyway.
Yes, I have also heard that with phase 1, phase 2, you can do whatever you would like. But yeah, as soon as you get your like live account, they will start like seeing those things more.
Okay. Yeah. I have 2 accounts. So
Yeah, yeah. But still, I wouldn't risk with that because yeah, I have also heard about that. But still, like yeah, even with my swing account, if I have opportunity, like let's say right now, to get out with around 3 bips, I would just get out before the news. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, but yeah, I don't mind if we go down here and yeah, this this prediction was pretty nice here. Exactly to this overblock or the block where I draw like when we were in here. So yeah, if you look at one chart every day, you will start seeing those things. Right now, I wouldn't open second position, but around this area, I would open it. So this is too close to our current position. But yeah, we get signal here, and actually we filled this fair value gap here as well. So yeah, let's see.
So no.
No, not yet. Like still need the green candle, but yeah, if this green candle will be like in here, I wouldn't open it. Around this area, I will open it. But yeah, let's see. Like in big picture, I will see that this can go down more to get those lows here, because highs we already get, now lows. But yeah, let's see. Maybe it will go straight down here as well. But yeah, let's see. Yeah. 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 Sorry guys, I will take one phone call. I will mm, mute myself. Yeah. Mhm.
In which area would you have open second position?
Now,
Yeah. Right there. Yeah. Yeah.
so the technically
Yeah. Yeah.
last
Okay. 130. Yeah.
at least service.
Okay. Okay. Mhm. Okay. 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 Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, what a moment. Yeah. Ciao. Yeah. Ciao. Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, I went in with the second position here. For some reason, volume is picking up nicely.
Not to our advantage at the moment.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, I wouldn't surprise it. Like I said, price will touch these lows here. But yeah, let's see. I just keep it really simple and try not to like think what overall price would do. But yeah, I think I'm like 2 pips here out of first stop loss. So let's see.
Yeah, I'm almost sitting here.
Yeah.
But now it's almost signal as well.
Yeah. Yeah, now it tapped to this order block. Actually, our stop loss is covering this order block, so let's see. Right now looks like nice reaction.
Come on, push it.
Yeah, maybe it will push it to this order block and then go down even more. Let's see. But at least we get some reaction. A pretty nice reaction actually as well. So let's see. Mhm. So nobody got stop loss, right? It went like around, yeah, it went like around 8 pips, I guess. So the 10 pip is actually doing its work. Even if this would be like still stop loss hit, it still made sense, I would say, to take like 10 pips. Yeah, and also I don't know how to put those things in the rules, but if I see caps like this, like only one-sided moves, then usually price will fill those gaps. So even, I don't know, like here, that's nice example. So even though price wanted to go down and still went down, it closes those gaps here. And yeah, this is the same case with here. I just hope that we get signal around that area, but let's see.
Can you show again the area that you
Here, like this order block, let's say, and yeah,
Okay.
the example was this one. So even though price wanted to go down, it still filled this area. So I actually want to go out with one position, but I don't know, because I see that this is also like too sudden move. I will go out. Almost. I will go out with one, like first position. This position is out, and I will put yeah, but I will put the break even in here right now. So this is like really.
As well.
You close both?
Yeah, and I'm also on 2% second phase, so I'm pretty happy today.
I also closed 1.5% right now.
Okay, I still let the second one open, but seems like it was bad idea. Because it's just signal or not, but this was like nice area. That's where I thought that price will go. I just hoped for sell signal in there. But yeah, let's see. I am actually like, what's this now? 4R. Let's see. If this one gets closer here, I will close this one as well. Let's say like around 8 pips would be nice. But yeah, it seems like it tapped into this really nice order block. And it made sense to close in there. Maybe it will go through here, but yeah, this was like first target, I would say.
Would you now trade again if it retraces down?
Yes, yes. If there is order block, yes. So now it's 5 wins in a row. What was that? That was 4R. Let's see how this one will close. Then I will type in here as well. And yeah, like I said, this one is break even for me. And if you close it, it looks like nice decision.
It's 4.3 pips and 6.9 pips. So total.
Still hope that it will jump up because my take profit is like here, like 10 pip take profit. Okay, nice reaction.
Also now I think I'm gonna stay out for now because of the news that are coming in 8 minutes. So I can only trade for 6 more minutes.
Okay. Yeah, let's see.
Well, I mean, Carolina said I can trade, but I'm not sure on a challenge.
Yeah, I would.
Challenge might have to go on the actual test phase 1, test phase 2, 100 million% until the activity so many times. So that overnight prediction is very new on the standard, not showing them.
So, okay. I will send you an invoice, it's not that.
Dude, shield.
The thing is, if you get very the thing is, if you get very unlucky, it can be that it skips your stop loss, and then you get like, I don't know, 4 or 5% plus volume.
Oh yeah, but that I don't think. Like Euronews doesn't have so big effect, at least from my experience.
Yeah, I think that.
Euronews not just
Yeah, I think that as well.
not year. Yeah, it's small. Instead of 2% about 5.
Yeah, one of the breached during news also on the challenge last in October.
Yeah, I just, by the way, closed this position in here as well. Yeah, three pips.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, because I don't like this movement, to be honest. I think that this should have been signal here, and we should be in sell. But yeah, like this order block thing is like, I don't know, it works like a charm. Like you see in here, you can expect that the price will fill this area, and then yeah, it reversed. So we actually hit the exact top here, but yeah, it can go up still, but yeah.
Actually, we were waiting on the first position, remember? Like the two positions you had open, at least the second entry that would hit TP if we just would have waited for the order block to hit, which it did, and then would have entered the buy.
Yeah, but okay, it was not nice decision for me. But yeah, it's if you got like here somewhere, let's say that entry, but still after like I have the entry here, and this entry was basically the same. So yeah, I would say just price won't move enough for 10 big take profits. But still, as you can see in here, 10 pip stop loss worked like really well. So okay, what I got now, 3 and 4.
I had 670 then. I think that was pretty similar to one of your positions.
Let me check. Last two positions, one was 620, second was 576.
Okay, 620. Okay, I got 670. I went in the third signal that came. So
no,
that was
around
the
here.
10 pips was, yeah, the 10 pips, exactly.
You
when I closed at 5 pips after the signal came for buy.
okay. Okay, but yeah, we'll type in here. So put it over here. So
anyways, it's good result anyways.
yeah, of course.
1.5% actually. Percentage.
Let's see. Yeah, actually, I'm like, this was actually 35, but just let's round it up. So what I'm up now. So here is 1.5, 1.9, 2.2, so 4.4% I'm up right now.
Nice. 2%
Yeah. But also like if those two positions would hit stop loss, that would be like -4. So that's the downside of that. But yeah, like if I see that the price is turning trendy, and also if I get signal right now, I will stay out because in 3 minutes we have news. But yeah, let's see.
Would you stay out now and wait until it's done?
Yeah, today I won't wait 30 minutes after, but just like, let's say a few minutes before and after, I would still don't want to trade, because I don't know, I expect that those news won't do anything, maybe small wick, like up or down, maybe will hit those highs here, like wick out highs, and then will go down. But yeah, I don't expect that Euro news will do something significantly. Just would be nice to open trades after the news, even like few minutes.
Okay, because you said get something to drink.
Yeah. By the way, somebody still holding that buy? Yeah. Let's see if this news will wick out those highs in here. But I guess it won't do much. Or maybe lows. Wick out those lows. Or where we have more. I don't think that it will reach to this level, but let's see. Yep, just wicked out this maybe. Yep. So yeah, as expected, nothing much happened with this euro news. Or it keeps climbing now? No, just wick out, yeah. So also news is also like pretty predictable. At least lately, news just want to wick out somewhere. Like this was prime example here. Just wick out and now goes up. Okay, we have a few minutes time, I guess, in here before we get some signal. And yeah, Carolina's here. So Carolina asked me yesterday about like this automated stop loss and take profit. So I have tool to MT4 if anybody wants it. If you just open buy or sell, it will automatically put your stop loss and take profit. But if you need something like this, I will go to FULL1.5h. So you can connect this with your broker, yes, with your broker. So you can get those like things in here. And right now here, let's check out like auto SL TP. Let's check out market. Nope. Yeah, here. I haven't used it a lot, so MetaTrader 5. Let's check auto. No. So if you just want, guys, any like indicator or some tool or something, so in here you will get those things. So let's see. Is it, yeah, this is expert. No, it's like ATR based. It's not what we want. Here, that one is paid, but looks like that's what you need. You can get free demo as well. Carolina, are you here? Yeah. So yeah, this looks like this is what you were looking for. So you can set stop loss, take profit, even trailing in here. Those positions, those doesn't matter. That's just like where you get basically those lines. And yeah. So let me show you. So in MetaTrader 5, that's actually up around same thing. Here you have market somewhere, or was it up here? But yeah, there should be where is market? Yeah, here market. And now you will search for like auto SLDP. So I get the MetaTrader 4 results. You will get MetaTrader 5, but as you can see, the same tool is for MetaTrader 4 as well. So you click here and you can download demo to test it out. And you can get it directly, navigator. Yes, you can get it directly in here if you download it and you just put it on. I think you know how to put on expert advisor. Am I right?
Yes, also, I mean, I tried being more,
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this page as well. So if you have anything you want to download, here is like, I don't recommend to download like EAs in here because I don't think they will work. Let's just quickly check out those signals. It looks quite nice. So I would take it if this will be, or if it will pass it, I won't take it. Let's check out what's happening in here. So as I said, logical would be that this was our high and now we got daily lows. So yeah, actually this is first day in like 3 weeks where we have like logical movement. So London makes highs, New York meet like we have around right here, will make lows. So yeah, I don't buy it right now anymore, but it was logical movement. So I guess we will get some buy situation in here as well. And it may be that scalping thing is over right now because now we got trendy and we don't like to scalp during trends. We like those conditions, rate conditions. But let's see, maybe we can get like some nice reversal here. But I guess not right now, at least. But yeah, with this site you can download like EAs or something. I don't recommend them because yeah, those things doesn't work. But I know creator who created this thing. This is one Russian developer. If you want to develop something, he's really like great guy. But yeah, like this tool is where you can he has video, so it's nice. So if you need tools like this, you can get it from here. Like you can use it as MetaTrader or as TradingView with this script, or I think this is Expert Advisor. So you can set like PAs and stuff and so on. So yeah, I don't promote those things. I just wanted to show you that, like yesterday, Caroline asked me how she can get those things and so on. So I would say right here, it's best place. And usually you can have free demo, and those things won't like cost too much. If you see that it's really nice thing to have. So yeah, this one is $100, or you can rent it for a year or 3 months, and you can get a number of users as well. I don't know where is it. Let's check if I buy it in here. Okay, but usually you will get like 10 users, so it means you can use it with 10 different accounts and so on. Here, activations 10, yes. So let's say if you use it with your like, I don't know, prop firm account, and you will pass it or lose it, you can use it again. So yeah. So yeah.
So it's not interesting to buy, right? Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah. Right now it's not interesting because we exceeded this low here. So if that would be in here, I would buy it. But yeah, like I said, this today was like first day in 3 weeks where market made normal move, like high here, low here at the mid session. So yeah, movement wise, I think we are like really nice next week with a normal strategy. But yeah, in 6 minutes, new news, and those news could move market a bit more. And I actually pretty crazy reaction to euro news as well here. I didn't expect that. I just thought that this sweep here would be it.
Just marked his position out, but I didn't went in, but let's see. Actually looks pretty good.
It makes sense because it was like liquidity sweep in here. But and also, as I said, here is pretty nice caps. I don't know if those like news weeks will ruin it, but this cap will be filled as for sure. But yeah, also like I said, in 5 minutes next news, so they can mess this thing up as well. But yeah, at least we have, at least I have 5 wins so far. So, and I'm up actually 20% this week. So it is best week of this year for me.
Amazing.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it was like worst day of this week when I went live, because yeah, yesterday it was crazy. Like by now we would have like I don't know, like 15% up or something like that.
I checked the double check how much money. So far. I'm up 11.5%.
That's nice. And you risk 1% or 2%?
1%.
Yeah, that's then even better than me because I risk 2% and I'm up 20. So yeah. But yeah,
I
also
only risked once I was with one trade because I had really much profit, but it's 2%.
yeah, but yeah, with like with prop firm accounts, I wouldn't recommend to risk 2%. Maybe if you just want to pass the challenge, but yeah, I would say with prop firm, just try to maintain this account, even if you make, I don't know, $500 or 1,000 or 5K, it doesn't matter.
Would you, like, let's say, Jordan, for example, I spoke with him too. I mean, he's scaling up an account, so acting more. I mean, I know that you have most likely like a pretty big own capital account, of course.
Yeah.
But would you recommend them having one account where you take more trades or like aiming for more profit?
Yes, for sure. I would do let me put in here few examples what I would do. So let's say first account, let's just say that every account is 100K, it's just a round number. First account, first system, I would do just like like payout is in every 2 weeks, so 2 times per month. So with one payout, I would do 1% risk, and till it gets to 2%, and I will just wait for payout. So trades like this right here, like really good reversals, continuations, just wait for that good conditions. And yeah, lately, like last weeks, we didn't have those conditions, but overall we have at least one or two really good trades. So just if you have like 2% in profit, just wait for payout. So and also you can get like a new account. So with second account, one way is maybe martingaling it, if you know what martingale means. So let's say you will risk $100, you will lose, you will risk $200, you will lose, you will risk $400, and if you win, you will make back those like 300 plus 100 extra. So and with, let's say, with third account, you can trade normally as you can trade, like you take every continuation and reversal, like let's just say by the rules. and you can make like fourth account, let's say scalping like this. So scalping, fifth, you can make like your own twist or trades, like you have your own strategy basically, and you mix it with real value indicator, so you can trade it that way and so on. So yeah, like I would say the end goal is that you if this one will fuck up, it doesn't matter. If this one will fuck up, it doesn't matter. By the way, this system would be easiest way to make money, I would say. Like you guaranteed $100 per day. Yeah, by the rules. Also, sometimes it's good times, sometimes bad times. Scalping right now, by the rules, I guess I'm down actually this week. But yeah, like actually I'm up 20% with scalping. So I would just choose between those things. And I know you trade Bitcoin or gold as well, right? Yeah. So you can make like this maybe Bitcoin trading. I don't know about prop firms and Bitcoin. Is there terrible like spreads and stuff? Yeah, yeah. Then maybe gold, let's say. Here is actually like gold trading and so on. So yeah, at the end, and yeah, also best way is that you have like few prop firms as well. So if FTMO will say something to you for some reason, then you have like next prop firms and next prop firms and so on. And also goal would be to get to your own capital. So that way you have like no problem. But yeah, I see that this prop firm is like so thing, but at the beginning it's really nice way to actually grow your capital, I would say. And also it's kind of nice that they have rules, because like in your own capital you don't have rules, so it's nice to have some sort of rules still. So with my own capital I put basically the same rules, even though today my rule was do not lose more than 8%. With prop firms I can't do this, but with my own capital I can. So yeah, it's it's still nice, but yeah, I would say that just choose different strategies, and yeah, not even like not completely different strategies, but yeah, like also I guess what Jordan is doing. Uh, let's say he have like 5 accounts, I guess. And five.
Already 6.6 up from the buy signal.
Yeah, it's looking nice. And yeah, as I said, at least it closed at this gap, maybe this one as well. So actually, I would have closed it in here for just safety. And it's actually we had news 2 minutes ago, so news didn't do anything. But yeah, it made sense. And if we get like pullback here, that would be really nice signal. But yeah, like I guess what Jordan is doing is like, let's say Monday, he take one account, get like, let's say 4%, done. Then he move on next day. Let's even say that this will be like bad day and he will get 2%. Also done, waiting for payout. This, let's say it's minus 2%. Let's say this one will be 0, and this one will be like +5. I guess +5 is his like maximum goal here. So next week he will trade only with those two accounts, what is like in 0 or -2, and if he gets like 4 or 2 or 5%, he will just wait for payouts. At least I'm guessing it's something he will do. So that's also a nice way. So you know whatever happens, like even if you lose those accounts, you will still have, with 100k you will have like 3.2k. It depends if you have like 80% split. 3.2k, 1.6k, and 4k. So you will have still enough to buy new challenges and make more and so on. even if you lose, but I don't think he will lose that often those accounts. And yeah, looks like price fill at this gap, now goes down, and I may make some final trade if you get like nice entry in here.
9.1 pips, so almost 10 pips.
Yeah.
From the last price.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like now it wants to go up, like with overall picture, because lows are swept here. But yeah, let's see. Like somewhere around here would be really nice signal. But maybe this was it. Maybe this was like, yeah. And I wouldn't enter with this candle as well. So yeah. Yeah. But yeah, with normal conditions, I would say that price now wants to shoot up, or maybe making one more low, but still, like at the end of the day, it should up, because lows are taken and highs are taken.
But here also very good to see again that 10 pips is still good. Because I think it was a drawdown around 5 pips.
Actually, with 5 pips, let's say we risk more as well. Like 5 pip will be our final take profit. So this will be final take profit plus 2%. This one was a loss, and this one was also 2%. So we are up 2%. This one get to the 2% here. Yes. So this one was a win. This one was a loss. This one was a win. So what we have 2, 4, 2, 4, and yeah, 4. So around the same. But yeah, it's just like more stop losses, more take profits. So right now we don't have actually any like final take profits, but we are like really safe. We saved this trade and we saved that trade as well, because of 10 pip take profit or like stop loss. But yeah, like 4% in 1.5 hours. It's even less actually, because we stopped trading in here. Like 1 hour, a bit more. I would say pretty nice results. No, I try to not take out there. I try to live off of prop firms and stuff. And like at the end of the year, I take out like more. But let's say before that, I just withdrawed in every like I don't know, first Monday, let's say, of the month. With IC market, by the way, IC market is changing something. So right now I have account there, but as Estonian, I can't make another account in there. or like yeah, they're changing some rules and stuff, and now I guess Simon tried it as well, so he can make new account, but he can trade only with 30 leverage, so it will be with 5 pips, I guess around 1.2% maximum. So but yeah, anyways, if you can have 500 leverage with IC markets, that's what I have used. You will make withdrawal request and you will get money in 24 hours. I don't know. With that point, I don't have any problems with them. You can always withdraw everything correctly. But yeah, like if you ask like money wise, I try not to take out that much money in there if possible. If possible, take out like prop firm money, live off of that, and yeah. We looks like we get like sell signal in here, but I'm not sure about this. I would like to see buy. Like let's say I ended this scalping session here. So now let's see if we get like some real trade.
Also, the 10 pips trade hit now.
Yeah,
Without
yeah.
hitting stop loss.
Yeah. Also, we get in 5 minutes next moves, next news. But I guess this will be those, yeah, press conference. So they may this may do nothing, and yeah, as I said, I don't enter here. Without the news, maybe I would enter, but yeah, let's see. Also, it didn't reach exactly. Yeah, actually, with wicks there is order block, but it doesn't look that good. So yeah, have something like this, but yeah, doesn't look that good. Here, this order block, that's nice. If anybody asks me what order block is perfect, this one. Like unfilled caps, a lot of here, nice movement, price came back, and this was our high actually, where we took profit. So yeah. Let's just check. I will delete this, and I didn't took this trade, but let's just check what's going on in here. Potentially. Because I guess price will still hit here and we get signal down there as well. Casper is here as well. No. But yeah, I saw that Casper passed his prop firm today as well. And yeah, actually like last Friday, I think most active was Casper and Jonathan. And yeah, you two have best results this week as well. So it's correlation in there, I would say. If you like keep eye on things and test and stuff, then yeah, that way you will be profitable. It seems right now if news will do anything, it will push lower and maybe get liquidity down here or here, but let's see. if there will be any impact. And I don't think it will get liquidity in here, because I think this will be like initial target. First target would be here. At least I think so, because today market is moving like normal market conditions, I would say, today. Yeah, nothing in here. By the way, who joined? I'm not in this trade. I just monitor it. I will close it just in case someone sees that I'm in here. No, I'm not in any positions anymore. Okay, as I see, potential setup would be something like this for today, but I don't think I will take it anyway, because I'm plus 20% and it's best week so far for this year, and money wise best week overall what I have ever had. So yeah, I'm quite happy about this, and I think I will end it in here. So so yeah, for those who are watching like the video of it, I will put how you can join or get access to this indicator below that. And for those who are still here listening and made money off of that, please send me some screenshots of your today's trades and so on, so I can post it, and yeah, that would be really cool. Like a perfect birthday gift for me if you just send me your like screenshots what you made because of that live. And yeah, let's see, maybe we'll do those things in the future as well. So yeah.